welcome back to my channel Brush Bohemian. So today's video we are going to make 4 types of florals and we are going to use Dom's watercolor cakes and it's kind of 12 shades, I think, more than that. And yeah, before going further, go follow me on my Instagram account. There you can see the dates about the videos and all of the new stuff as well. I post many paintings and I also post some like you can say discount offers, like updates. And yeah, before going further, one thing also I want to share that you can like join my floral workshop, and for the amount and everything you can just DM me on my Instagram account. And if any difficulty, you can also join my calligraphy course, and everything about the rupees and everything you can get to know on my DM only. And yes, let's continue. outcomes. I name them in my description box. What are these? Also, you must have, like, if you have watched full video, in that also I have tell you what the florals are. So yes, hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe and press on the bell notification, and you can drop your names into the comment box, and I can give you a shout out. What you need to do is, if you want to get a shout out, you need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment done along with a few positive sentences. And yes, that's it for the video. Bye.